As we speak, Israel fought to bomb call Iran. And I say Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, baby America for a you also know installations and also Iran for attacking. It is a Middle East honor, a honor, who says I can say. Man, also a Kobasa
Abuza for Mamunya Wakwa Badiba, Ghana and same TV so. Me pacho, Bohomo de say, obe like video, obe subscribe, no watch your thoughts. Because say the DBI Americano channel where modia ye no ye sum nti say dem pese ye sum no san hoden ne hwe ne de sum nti sanse channel no ye modia ne gidi say ye modia ampa ne ye sum nti no you have every right so be chere wadwon comment section ho. Once again I am called Mr. President to be able to from Mr. President ameje ososa na no kwase me wumpan say from where I sit maybe I'm a TD. Journalism in Ghana is losing its credibility. Journalism aye Ghana pass ya journalism aye no. I say enya kono krampo bio. Because brand yesu so na ye nyinyi nsema ye tefa about some journalists ni no ma bi no. Ni who say they were men with credibility. They were men with neutral stance. Baby omugina no omugina homa omanfo no omugina homa politicians. But a journalist, when I hear fee in couple of years, journalists my experience in a day. Than party foot soldiers. Issues of national discourse. They can't engage themselves into issues of national discourse without playing politics with it. I don't know. You perceive a queen as on my knee. You perceive a queen as on my knee. Say mopa. Journalists wana mo ma imu mo pa monji party card mo betena se ya mo share party dresses ni say wo ye party A wo ye party B. That's fair enough. Abusa for me jide se munyina mate about US, Israel and Iran for ntokwa na yekoso no. See no ka say pa de e two weapons fly here and there ni pe wu. Na no na UTV for hosting show na omo kasa about and normal course outside the country. Ya bra pan Agya Kwabena, a renowned NDC journalist. O kan sembo video na me hu asem yem share me. Because on my ye pese ye tum pon pa de journalism system can never go by this route. With the greatest of all respect to Agya Kwabena. Ye nim so ye NDC foot soldier. You have track records of being an NDC foot soldier. But for once, just for Mother Ghana, stop being a foot soldier and be in the optics of Ghanaians. Just for Mother Ghana. Because Ghana is gradually sinking. A paper is saying that issues of national discourse, you decide not to follow the issue. Nemo the person prepare Ghana for one towards a difficult times. 2022, 2021, 2020, 2019. Those periods. Ghana has some small issues as a result of global influence. We had the lives of Agya Kwabena and some NDC journalists catcher and say external factors determine the future of our economy. Until by the the NDC or power. Now external factors display its router or person prepare Ghana for a dream towards a hard time. Mentiasi. I didn't know person any me as a Ghanaian, as a patriotic citizen, a hame. Now this is a video nesabeka or beha videos. Me did so who on so beha no. A ban is saying, as a journalist, instead of so much normal air course or men match Ghana for months, Sabi, ye jandam and Mahama and a menu kun or Mubu Ghana for Quasiano. Oh, prepare Ghana for adjourn towards a center, say, a normal air course outside Ghana, no, it will affect our economy and then Mobua. You see, you're better on numerous times. I catch him say, a artificial system no we should do really Ghana. Shame call from. The sense or more who say, ya expose your channel. On person of fine coin be so, no, we say no, maybe con by infa. Munka Agya Kwabena say yesi ne chigu ho because had ye be ka ne kwan na kire mu some of them nim ye mo na ma fa say yenso mo ye be ka ne kwan say the no correct. But gradually journalism is losing its root. See as obi anjo ni party A or party B. But some go for television so no person act so me neutral. No me the Ghana for adwin dia go no mo sanfu to Ghana for ni Agya Kwabena enough is enough. Sa no man amoye no antics na ya amoye no sia de yehunu wo de badu ye betwam du. Because these politicians taxpayers money dey chi omoka. They hold it a responsibility to protect our economy. Na Agya Kwabena say bibi ko ye mamoni mu dia na obegina na wo brand this for abaso bibi nko ye de na person dey share external factors. Papa, you are gradually losing your credibility. Set up. Yera, with the greatest of all respect, you are gradually losing your credibility.
So, ebe affect you singing now. Until they say me no ka say Israel.
Ebe can ebe affect Ghana. Affect Ghana. Ghana can affect you. Ghana can't affect you.
The economy see Israel a declare state of emergency. I just say, baby, I never can corner. Say, oh my God, I'm part of my civilian. We are being the best.
We have a problem. Very
Hoopa until when you got Ukraine Russia talk a higher power. We say about higher. You tell me, that's a book of that's overturned to also, Madam was watching us to be that's the papa. So we never
sit up. And I'm cooking it market. Me kwa na maame fo na ekansem bi. Yira, sensem ni metimi ho kirewa, wo be ho. Metimi ho kirewa, se bi ubebu nkotodwe asusu mama, se de jandam ni mama yira, osu 2017 no. Ubesu papa. Ko Ghana fo se bi wanu edu unka no kore. Ghana fo se bi, omo se wo ya dan stomach journalist. Se bi awonte ya me de me tin wo na ache yira, omo se wo ya dan stomach journalist. Also, my man for us are some politicians. Sano ma we bia na era around there be and they can no to mudin and I want to watch no na kuku board o this kanya funya ntimi nya hwe. So why yes sa kwanu su na also be father kunya appointment pa dey we ha kunna grepen ye na 4 and 5 unko ba bia. You hold it a responsibility to serve the good people of Ghana with positive, good and realistic news. Asa sa partisan work na pesa wo ye no sa antics bi na pesa mo ye enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Let's stick to issues on grounds. Now person prepare Ghana for adwen towards a hard time there. Yira enya adwuma wo. Yira jandam ni mahama na manyoko. They hold a responsibility to Ghanaians so be protecting economy no. Me pacho Russia for krampa ka omo no tum eti wo na be kire Ghana for kwan ya fa so ayenko no ma na debi yanya ne sa US for etu na moto de ko Iran me pacho ebi ba Ghana ha etu na Israel for de ko Iran me pacho ebi ba Ghana ha mamu ko passem takra bia mbenu yasum yewe mahama shenbo so be me live good life. And then the share ni say baba and me kan kire say rush intokwa na ekoso ni ntino we should expect we are going to expect positive vibes. Yem passing bia yem penoto to mpeno no a say wo person politician na say NDC colors be gina national television say wo de wo ye NDC adwuma ko ye nim deda na since a person yi woni so be ye NDC fo adwuma obeye ye jandam ni mahama adwuma man de ene yi woni me ye adwuma nation face boot for boot. Sanya sadia, a gentle reminder. Say you hold it a responsibility to the ordinary Ghanaian to speak to realistic issues and not try to place math and on the intelligence of Ghanaians. Today we came in peace, but this is a very sound and resound warning. Ira, Ediebu, some of us, we know that we've been doing this for a while. Even though the rate at which are Sebi, what the Ghanaians intelligence, a diagro, and they said your politics and ya kono. Human journalism and ya kono, all right. But you will be more that credit. Say, for all these years, knowing how Usifa Eddie Ghana for Adrian Diago, what could draw the Ghana for Adrian Diagon, Sebi, you will be a admirer who could draw. Yes, that's the reality. Who say who the Ghana for bro? We are aware. Because OTA Yera Mahama APR kese paano ya aware. Dem wa could draw na Sebi. Who the Ghana for him? Di omo bone no say akukudro ndi em so wo bi ye de be ma so wo akukudro no ba yura da chance sem itin edokoto kodu a me jam ho me dem wase.
Yeah, they want
across the country make tertiary institution be as a teacher training no say nursing training no say university yo say technical university yo omo ntimi anko school enti en class size ni en class numbers na I drop it. Because any school fees ne pe oba ni hostel fees na aduane obedi
yeah, because me video we me who obi on what me so say ne ma me wo ka shoe farm and na all sere ne ma me to no ma confirm no di ne ma me achi na all cheche ne ma me say I feel the cash ne dey atiti say who na all this sere ne ma me na me so okay that confirms as some na sister ma has been saying or say I didn't say nyame cash you know omo bottom ni na be we ade na NPP a pensioner nam 20 million say nam 500 Ghana.
Oh, I can't look at in fact, yes, Katia Fina 500. In the movie, yeah, to about 700. Me busa mu as a Friday, na 2,000. And then me busa mu. Ain't me kwa kubusa mu ahe.
Okay. Yeah, mom pay say at least no so ntimi nko shock kaka because it is pathetic. It is actually pathetic. Ain't okay. We are talking about Okujoto Ablakwa. We are discussing Okujoto Ablakwa ewonia wakwa I know discussion and we have a lot of things here. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, and be a bit me address near movie or me say woo for doors or opening in and then come my bedin a dorsum. Ain't but I allocated time and I no do time so am I okay John
Aba medase ene akwanya de ama me meche obi bia nso wa fidie so na matie bia nanka de me bekeka me nuanum bia di kan keka bat me de kakra beka ho mpanimfo bu bebi se onto namda akoto brebo
for the kumani
wasmo me sik akumanwa ebi na okujato saa na wote wa na nso daye so de babi obedro no na de meka nyina ne se eyehuhu na hyehye na aye no abofra wanya adwuma da o university a oba aban mu no woni na mu anene wabe foreign minister ntino ono no sabio wonso anso eno aso ansa no hu ebi amuduro enti hyehye ni timu ye ne da to the sense they say me who they mean enclassify no so what they say na ewo mu say we are foreign minister assembly ba ewo mu say bia otimi kan bi but diplomatic untimi won America ana untimi won Iraq bi obaka ni so o ma bi a wuntwa so eno de obetimi aka say mo hwe na they say no ebia ekona ekono ba bia ha bombu ko ha na betimi ama ebia third world war kraba nti ebesere say ebia omuntwa so eno na chese wo nyansa sem na waye de waka no na woni obi sabi enya ado America to wono wo munya Gyimifuɔ so wo no wo sore ya no mutisa wo kuku no wo nkaka so wo mo kwoto ahe obi so ya kan mpanifo kan ebu bebi se akma da mo sikra ya se jatwe dade amonyine nsam nya sa odi bedi ewu America fo nim se ye jankrofo we nim no mo yesa a omuni kura yi na asema bebe wiase na enye papa enti o ma ye o ma dwen se kwan bia so o mo nye eboa wo bia ewiase man nyinaa onso mo ka so obi aye din no de nti aye obi aye din ne sen yama warning say obi aye mi fan say after omo form ayi bi no mo ye say obi a ma obi a nye saa de ni bi even ayi for kra Syria for kra no mu obi time omo ne ayi for de kofo so no omo ti ase de omo de nyinaa man ya di omo de nyinaa na wo de ya ji obi de won so se afi na wo de me kwa akoye bi enti ye besro ku jeto brokwa ono de wanya no ho asabi ye nya ye ho ye ne e wa tutu kwan asabi ye won krofo ama so no ye ba ne asabi ye betin krofo no tu bi nkura na ye no na enya kakra de ba ba chichiri kuro na ne ga na aduru ba bi aduru enti no ye besre se mo nko kameka ye nuanom so omunya akwanya maaye no because sabi mpanimfo se ba ku redu egu Ghana nko ano sabi afi omo ye omo adwen se omo nkoma Switzerland fo koko na ye ne ebe ye ho ahwani ene aboye so no ene ma bebre a ye ne mrofo no sabi enya ado omo kura se omo ka se ne ye nto ye mu bi akora na krama akotena asamina ho so de ase eti se krama wakotena asamina ho enti no ye besre we are foreign minister do ba bi a tobo ase na tra hwem ansa na wo hu statement abema wo sora na Ghana wa se yes NDC fo no ba ena mahama ba ye wo gintre ha na mahama nim kasa na onim kasa o man so ye ne yetimu ye nsene ya bram ye hunu de ekọ na ye hunu de eba ukogina ayi na kasa do bia na Ghana for president na la nkanka ne enuanu alatafo no mo jeje no so yenso etu wasabi ade ati ye kura obi kokokuro obi nya bi ni enti e besro ku jeto brokwa ahia ye ma ye ni ahia wese wonko ka mekan yen wonko ka mekan yen omo kura diplomatic passport ene bo mo alu place won betimi afa no makwa akotena ebi Burkina Faso
That is true.
me maami amose wa wote ho no so enti e besre no sa huhu sem no wonyai na ya too much me jam obi nso aba be ka bi me da se bebre.
Okay, Johnny, men so me da say asam na no waka no. Omo no mo kura diplomatic passport into omo kasa majority of them no mo nwene ho because when push comes to shove omo no omo busuafo they will be safe. But what about the ordinary Ghanaian? Ebeya day. Okay. Mepacho wa join the live na what we posting live no. Dear mama mepacho I do need that big favor and repost the live for me. And mepacho say me peke wo ba top na ope so osi for mo a mami hu why o mami hu pe a me drop o Johnny so next time me peke wa me sure wa a ope so drop o de ka na e dey me ankasa me new why thank you the voice thank you Mr. Marcus.
Agya.
Okude to say na ade ni bi.
Good morning.
Good morning. He's giving me headache at this point.
In fact, this topic, Ankasano, because it's my area, I don't know where to start from. But I don't know. You are only a socialist as a child until you are met with the realities as an adult. So I want to state that Okudjato is a child in the international geopolitical space. Until you started the issue, it sounds good to be a socialist.
No, but Mr. Marcus, me patcho me be so say Okudjato blakwana ni nyansa ni nimdie ewo geopolitics enko nkan ya me patcho ne entire ministry no oni futufo.
President Mahama himself believes in the multipolar world.
Marcus, good morning. See me briefly.
Yeah, President Mahama himself believes in the multipolar world. Yenina, as students, young activists, especially coming from sub-Saharan Africa, if you look at the history of the acquisition of nuclear arms and the non-proliferation treaty banning other states from acquiring nuclear weapons, and the disarmament of the existing ones who have and their unwillingness to do it, you will begin to fight for a just world. But say Elinyina, we don't have a just world. Because the Americans and their allies have always dictated the pace of the world. It is knowing where we are coming from as a people, developing nations and our needs to depend on these developed nations. Now, student politics at that level, now, you jeopardize the interest of your people. He's not doing student politics. Where he has been placed, real lives are affected by your gaff. I want to be charitable. Gaff. His loose talk has consequences on the lives of Ghanaians, both home and away. As a minister, that is why